Overall, as I said, we as a coalition, as MDA, we have always kept the larger interest of the state.
Hapedengi Khubor Hamsaya bagi United Democratic Party kaseng ke baar hakajingbun dekat ke sorkar sendop ke MDA hadin ke National People's Party bahkan se Shah Weng nok nak sorkar Myntri Rangbah ke Jalau konrat ki sang ma khan diutrik Jumang ulah kenta je borok Khubor Hamsaya bu ulong bahagi san senam beladap ke UDP bat ke NPP ke lai lang ringkat berkin ye le ya kata hakikat tu kan tayo bala lek khamtam hakajingelap election soyong dangshen bun kinongelam ke NPP kila aik sai bagi UDP kala bensyai no syurut.
See, we have also spoken in election time, even during the 2023 general election time also. But if you recall, after the election, we have all come together and we stressed on the fact that we have been working in the past 5 years to take the state forward. And in that same spirit, we want to continue.
Habakado ke jinglong jong ke election kalong bagi seng-seng pertai ki ajingkren badan ki por ba omsyam lala bentek la kami kentien usang maulong bandrai kum ke sarkar sindrop ngila jubo ke jingmentoi ke jelak Ahmad.
Overall, as I said, we as a coalition, as MDA, we have always kept the larger interest of the state.
Habakali laki bakum kita ke jingkren kin kata ke sarkar sindrop MDA Myntri Rangbah ule Jubab dak boong baladakan kata ke sarkar sindrop kelade ben kata ngi ke election arjar fulai bakala don ru ke jingi kawang keti bagi jingkin thok bajur ke por election henry ye kata ru sarkar sindrop kane khlamki ula penram.
No, if it had to be affected, it would have been affected in 2023 general election. Even in 2023 general election, there was a lot of language that was used, but still we continued.